Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. My name's Andrew and this is
Julie.
And today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to draw a cupcake from
Cupcake and Dino, Cupcake and Dino, Cupcake and Dino.
Shall we get started?
Yeah.
Let's begin. Yeah, because cupcake is a bright pink colour. Okay, so first of all,
This is good?
Yeah, this is good. So we're going to draw a horizontal line about this big, okay? So, like that. Okay, now we're going to do two sort of round curly cheeks. So I'm going to go round like that on that side, and on this side I'm going to go round like that on that side. Okay, and then we're going to do another curve like that, and another curve that way. And then on top of his head, he's kind of got like a little, it looks like his hair, but it also looks a bit like a shark's fin.
Like the poo emoji.
Yeah, a little bit like the poo emoji. That's what I was going to say, and then I thought, should I say it? But I'm glad you did it for me. Okay, so there's kind of like a shark's fin shape on the top.
No, the poo emoji.
Yeah, all right. We all know what we mean. Right, so the next thing, let's do his mouth. So,
right now it's a poo.
So I'm going to do him with an a pink poo. I'm going to do him with an open mouth. So for the open mouth, I'm going to do like a, kind of like a roundy, sort of almost like a banana. So round like that. Or a bean. A bean shape, that's a much better description.
Oh, or big lips.
Yeah, or big lips. So this bit of the teeth, I'm going to go like a backwards number 3, like that.
Number 3.
And then along here, I'm going to go loops. So I'm going to go loop, loop,
yeah, the teeth.
loop for his teeth. He's giving like one of his big beaming smiles. Okay, now for his eyes, I'm going to do his eyes closed. So 2 U shapes. Now the thing that's good about Cupcake is he's got like one eyebrow. So we're going to do an eyebrow like that. And the next thing to do is we've got to think there's like little melts, it's like his frosting kind of melts a little bit. So I'm going to do some little drips like that. Okay, so we've done his head, now we need to do his body. Okay, so we're going to do some diagonal lines going in like that, and the same on the other side, so in like that. Okay, well done. Right, let's do his arm first. So kind of like a, not quite a semicircle because it's a bit longer, but I'm going to do a diagonal line that way, and then I'm going to go round like that. And I'm going to do a curved shape like that. And then a curved shape like that.
Cupcakes have sleeves.
I think that's just so that we can move his, so that he can have arms, isn't it? They put those little sleeves. So we'll just do some little zigzags for his fingers, yeah. And then on this side, I'm going to do a diagonal line and another line there, which is his other sleeve.
Overlapping.
Yep. So you can't see all of it because this part of the cupcake's covering it. And then I'm going to do another curve like that. And another curve like that. And then we'll do some zigzags for his fingers. Okay, so see these 2 lines that we've got here? We're going to join them with an arch. So I'm going to go like that, and then join it like that. Okay, and then we're going to do some straight lines, which are like the, what are they? The folds in the cupcake. So we do one there.
The bits where
yeah, the folds in the paper, and then another one like that. And let's do another one here. So those are the folds, okay?
I need to do one more. Yeah, go.
Okay, so I'm going to draw a straight line along here to help me make sure that I get his feet in the right direct level.
Another bit on.
Yeah, don't worry, hold on. We're going to do this straight line, so this is where I know where to put his feet, okay? So I'm going to do a zig and a zag like that. Because we're going to do him like he's doing a little dance. And then I'm going to do another zig zag like that, yeah? So then I'm going to copy that line there and copy that line there. And then I'm going to do a straight bit on the top, joining those up. And then exactly like you said, we're going to do a line underneath like that. That's all right, that's good, that's good. All right, so that's the underside. So now, colour in, or there's some bits, if you want to make some bits look a bit stronger and a bit brighter, we can use the black pen. So I was going to do inside his mouth with the black, go over his eyes with the black, and do his big eyebrow, make it a bit thicker.
Can I make him stand out?
Yeah, okay. So, shall we colour him in?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, what an amazing drawing. I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, and please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you like us. We also want to announce a competition which will be run until the end of September. If you send in a picture to our Facebook page, you could win this amazing book of how to draw animals. Post your picture into our Facebook page, which is Magic Pencil Art for Kids, and Yuli and our panel of experts will pick a winner. Thank you very much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Bye bye.
Goodbye.